This is Hilario Alvarez, and he absolutely loves farming his 82 acres near Mabton.
And this one over here,
wow.
this is so beautiful. This is neon eggplant.
Look at that. His energy is contagious, and we could hardly keep up with him.
And this is the ghost pepper,
Eesh.
and this is the habanero white.
Eesh.
This is very, very hot pepper.
Don't rub your eyes.
Yeah. And you started eating that one that you have the smoke in the
Yeah,
ear.
exactly. He grows organic vegetables for Seattle farmers markets, and he grows a lot of crops you'd never guess were grown in our estate. How many different vegetables are you growing here?
I grow about 400 different types of vegetables.
400?
400 different types. I grow the 200 varieties of peppers and 50 different kinds of eggplant, and then 40 different kinds of tomatoes, and then I grow the 20 different kinds of zucchini and 15 varieties of the potato.
Wow.
I got all kinds of potatoes. You never see it, you can see it in the Alvarez farm.
In addition to all this, Hilario grows about 2 acres of peanuts each year. He starts them in the greenhouse and then transplants them to his fields in May. Look at that.
Yeah. See, they need see all these roots over here?
Right.
They need another 4 weeks to
yeah.
full it up, everything that one.
So that's essentially all the peanut is. It's just at the end of the root.
Yeah, end of the root, see.
Hilario started farming his own land after working on a nearby farm.
I started to farm in 1976 for somebody else in the Wapato area to the Filipino farmer. And then in 1981, I started to farm self-employed.
Nice.
In 1988, I buy my own land. 1988, I buy this place first.
Why grow so many different and unusual varieties?
You know, because when I grow a lot of kinds of vegetables, the people, they want to spend me $1 in each kind of, or try my vegetables, each kind.
Right.
You can spend me $400.
We set out to see as many of his moneymakers as possible, which wasn't an easy task.
Come on over here. Beautiful eggplant.
Oh, wow.
The purple rain.
My goodness, you are an eggplant growing machine. You think I have enough eggplants here? Let's go check out the peppers.
Yeah, calling golden cayenne.
Golden
Tomates.
cayenne.
Yeah, this is the golden. They
That's beautiful. There's a lot more to peppers than just straight up jalapenos.
This is my own pepper.
Your own, very own.
Yeah, nobody have that variety.
The purple banana.
Yeah,
You saw it here first on Washington Grown. The purple banana.
Yeah, purple banana.
Well, you're doing some amazing work. I
Yeah.
mean, you're growing a lot of cool stuff, and I mean,
lot of peppers.
I mean, you keep it up. I appreciate this, Hilario. Thank you for having us come out here, and you retire soon.
Yeah, go home. You don't want to see more peppers?
No, I do. I was just making a close for the show,
Oh,
but we can go see more peppers.
I go.